Hey, my name is Kerry Green, and I am with a company called podcastfasttrack.com, and we do a lot of show notes and transcriptions and stuff like that. And I discovered something today on Google Drive using Google Docs that enables you to do speech to text, so you actually speak in your text. And so I'm going to show you what that's like here. Okay, this is my Google Doc, and I'm going to click right here in this section between these two headings because I'm going to do one with text to speech just using my voice, but then I'm also going to do from audio. This is going to be pretty cool. So you're going to go up here to the tools, voice typing, and you just click on this microphone and you start talking. So here we go. I am talking right now to test this speech to text option within Google Drive, period. If I don't say the punctuation, it doesn't make any punctuation, period. So, I am doing my best to make this intelligible so the speech to text can pick it up, period. If I don't make it intelligible, it's probably going to, you see, it's making some mistakes there, but that's okay, period. I'm happy to do this because I think it's a cool functionality. And then I just click on the mic again, and it goes away. Now, you see, that's pretty accurate, except for the place where I intentionally made the pearl good right there. Now, you notice it left out some punctuation there, an apostrophe, but it's not a big deal. You can see the red thing there and go in and fix it, okay? Okay, so then I got to thinking. I was wondering if I could play an audio of a conversation and like put my headphones right here on the microphone. And would it pick it up well enough to do a transcription, so to speak? Now, I expect there's going to be glitches because it's not as good a quality as a voice right into a microphone. But I'm going to try it out here. I've got Audacity queued up with the conversation. I've got some headphones I'm going to put on the microphone right here. Okay, sorry if that's a little bit loud. It is what it is. And now I've got Audacity queued up. I'm just going to hit the play button. Now, I realized that I've got to hit the play button on Audacity first, because if you're in Google Docs and then you click out to another window, it stops the voice recording. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to hit Audacity. It's going to pick up mid-sentence, but that's okay. All right, so I'm going to hit play. Takeaways there from what you said. Right there. One, if you're already doing a podcast sporadically or struggling to get it going, it's not a good idea to start a second podcast. Would that be a fair way to state that?
Right. Unless you decide you're going to put the podcast you're struggling with on hold and set that aside. You could be struggling with it because your passion isn't there or your skill or whatever. There could be plenty of reasons why maybe that podcast is just simply not a good podcast for you to host. So maybe this other podcast you're thinking of starting would be your replacement. But if you're struggling to maintain one and you want to maintain it, I don't recommend taking on the extra responsibility of a second or third or multiple other podcasts. Get good at one.
Okay, so I paused it. You see, when I clicked out of the Google window, it stopped the recording. But I mean, look at that. That's pretty good. Again, here's some punctuation that's missing. It didn't put any sentence endings, so like periods and capitalizations, things like that. You'd have to go back through and do that. But overall, I'm pretty impressed. I think this could be useful. I'm trying to think, how could this be used in a way to save time, in a way to create transcriptions? Maybe you just have a VA who goes through and breaks it up according to the sentences. I don't know. That could be just as time-consuming as doing a transcript. I don't know. But it's just an idea. I thought I'd throw it out there.